These are examples of Newton's 3 laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest will stay at rest unless an unbalanced net force acts on it. As you can see here, the cue ball is at rest. When I hit the cue ball, it rolls the direction I hit it towards the other balls and breaks up the triangle. The baseball is at rest on the tee. When I hit the baseball, it flies in the direction I hit it. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends upon 2 variables, the net force acting on the object and the mass of the object. The skateboard has nothing on it. I apply a pushing force to move the skateboard forwards. Because there is nothing on the skateboard travels far. The skateboard now has a heavy car battery on top of it. I apply the same pushing force to the skateboard, but the skateboard does not travel as far because of the heavy car battery. This is me about to shoot a normal basketball. I apply a pushing force to the basketball and it flies through the air into the basket. This is me about to shoot a heavy pumpkin. Here I apply the same pushing force to the pumpkin, but because the pumpkin is much heavier than the basketball, it does not travel as far. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. I missed the shot and hit the rim. When I shoot, I push the basketball through the air and hit the rim, which is an action force. The basketball hitting the rim and bouncing back up is the reaction force because the basketball exerts a force on the rim and the rim also exerts an equal and opposite force on the basketball. This is me throwing a tennis ball at a garage door. When I throw the tennis ball, it flies through the air and hits the garage door, which is an action force. The tennis ball hitting the garage door and bouncing back off is the reaction force because the tennis ball exerts a force on the garage door and the garage door also exerts an equal and opposite force on the tennis ball.